Hello and welcome to video number 8. Let's talk about ad campaigns and how to set them up and all of that. Okay, so to get to Facebook Ads Manager, up at the top, click on the menu, click on Ads Manager, and you'll get this page. And you'll want to click on campaigns if it doesn't go there immediately. The next thing you want to do is simply click the green Create button, like so. And here we go. So we have campaign, and the campaign specifies the objective. The ad set specifies the specific page, the audience, basically who you're trying to target. And then of course the ad is going to be the creative ad, the images, the text, the headline, and all of that. So the campaign is this video. So most of you are going to be using traffic or engagement. You're not going to use app installs unless you have an app. You won't use video views unless you have a video. And then we've got messages, lead generation, brand awareness, and reach. So knowing your objective is key. If you click on traffic, you're going to see that you can target conversions. Now, conversions can be anything from a purchase where somebody pays money versus something like a lead where somebody fills in their email and their name and they give you something so that you give them a lead magnet or a freebie in exchange. So that can be conversions. And then of course, engagement can be in the form of a post engagement. So if you want stuff like comments, shares, likes to a specific post, you would choose that and click on continue. Or if you want to grow your Facebook fan page and get more page likes, you would click this one right here. Now, for the sake of showing you how to set up a Facebook ad to the fullest extent, we're going to be using traffic and conversions. So we're going to click that. You want to name the campaign to something that's generic or general to whatever you're promoting. Don't worry about any of these for now. These are more advanced. Click continue. And there we go. So campaign's easy. It's merely setting the objective and that's it. The next step is the ad set, which is going to be the targeting, essentially who you're targeting. And that's why we did all the demographic research beforehand. So now we can enter that in here. So with that said, let's move on to the next video.